Hello everyone, welcome to WinsidesCom. In this video, we will check out how to enable IIS Hostable Web Core on Windows 11. To enable this feature, we will use run command and access optional features. To do so, open run command. In the run command, type the command optional features. You can find this command in this video description and also on WinsidesCom. Click OK. This will open Windows Features dialog box. Here you can find a lot of services. Scroll down and locate Internet Information Services Hostable Web Core. Click on the checkbox next to it and then click OK. Windows will now search for the required files and apply all the necessary changes. Finally, a restart now is highly recommended. That's it. IIS Hostable Web Core is now enabled on your Windows 11.